So that actually raises another question. Should a company always meet with the FDA before launching an IDE process?
I don't think it's necessary to always meet with FDA, but I think it can often be a good idea. And whether or not you choose to meet depends upon a number of factors. For example, if you meet with FDA, it's done under what's called a pre-IDE meeting status, and that gives FDA 60 days in which to look at your material and decide whether or not to have a meeting, whereas an IDE can be must be responded to within 30 days by FDA. So if you have the time and the status of your project is early, then it may be better to meet with FDA first. Also, if the device is very new and there aren't any established or known requirements for what a study would examine, then it's always a good idea, I think, to meet with FDA to discuss the product and to discuss the nature of the data that will be collected, the endpoints, the statistical requirements, sample size, and so forth. The way in which companies can proceed in this process ranges from having an informal meeting where they submit a pre-IDE request to FDA, or on the other end of the spectrum, having a formal meeting with FDA, sometimes referred to as a decision meeting, in which companies ask FDA in advance to agree to or reach decisions on certain aspects of their trials. My experience has been that having an informal meeting is generally much better. FDA is generally not happy to have a formal agreement meeting, and the term is a little bit misleading in the sense that there is no requirement that FDA reach agreement with a company on any of the points on the agenda, only that they consider whether an agreement can be reached. So given those factors, usually you can get everything that you need out of an informal meeting and get it in a more timely fashion.